Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel Tutor Things. As you all aware that we have started like DevOps CI/CD pipeline, so those kind of related videos. So I am sure that I have taken some time to upload videos, but from now I will continue to upload videos on these topics. And as I have promised, I will be showing like how to deploy applications using different uh, like cloud sources. So firstly, I'll start with Git pages, like how we deploy our apps to make open website. So which is accessible to everyone using Git pages. We are going to do in this video. So previously we have done React JS with Docker and deployment. Everything we have done using GitHub. So yeah, posting like publishing and anti-crafts and all these things we have seen, like we have published to Docker from GitHub. So now in this video we are going to publish to GitHub pages but not Docker and everything. So yeah, let's continue with our video. So to do this, what I have using is I am using a cursor here. So with cursor I have completely designed my single page portfolio. So in this application we are designing portfolios, so that will be helpful for any software developer to create their own portfolio within no time. So I have used cursor and I have given this prompt so that my single page application like index.html page has created. Some scripts are there and some css stylings are there. So my index.html file has created by cursor itself. So not only this page, so entire application is have created by cursor. So this is the simple prompt I have given, like create a new complete modern official website. So some details I have given. If you want this prompt, so you can just take a screenshot here. I'll give you this screen for few minutes. You can just take a screenshot from this video. So it's a simple prompt: create a new complete modern, professional, and fully responsive single page portfolio website for a software engineer only using. So I want this to be only HTML, CSS, and this JavaScript kind of thing. So I want to show you like how we can deploy this single page application like this only HTML to Git pages in this videos. In later on videos, I will show you like how to upload the React apps. Uh, other things to a Git pages I will show you in the next video. For this video, I will going to show you how to deploy a simple HTML website to your Git pages. So if you are designing any simple HTML pages at your starting level, this video will definitely help you to do that. So yeah, the requirements I have given, like hero sessions will be there and about skills. These are the sessions which will normally seen in any portfolio. And topography, I want only these two. So light color theme should be there and smooth scrolling and some details which we want in your website, and we have to give these requirements. So I have given these requirements to my cursor, and thus it has created me this overview, and these three files as an overview and designs. So these are all included, and here is my output. To to make it run, I want to open it in a new window. So I have opened first time. When you are creating a project, you should need a folder. In that folder, you have to give a new. You have to ask cursor to design a new application. Okay, otherwise it will uh, you can ask just to create those files itself if you have already a folder. So now you can see my previous applications related to Docker and Node CI/CD. I have done so many videos on that. You can just go through my channel and check out those videos. So that will definitely help you for a learning stage of DevOps CI/CD pipelines. So yeah, so now here I am in the index.html. Let's see how this page is turned out in a website. So for that, what we can do is you can just go to new terminal and just give like start this page. So what is the page? Index.html. You can just tell that. So it has opened. So this is the page which we have designed in index.html by cursor. So you can see like modern website has created with just a simple prompt. You can just take a screenshot of this prompt. You will you can also add different stylings whatever required in color codes and topographies as you required, so thus your website will be got created within minutes of time. Okay, so now this is my simple HTML page with a single page application. So now I can't give this like local folder to anyone. I can't share with my friends or any uh, like uh, like interviewer kind of thing. So I want a public portfolio link for this. So let's see how we can do that within a no time with using GitHub pages, which is for free. So let's see, if you want to change anything, you can make changes in your index.html page, or you can ask cursor to do your changes with a simple prompt that will definitely do that. So yeah, to make this available in a public URL, first thing what we have to do is we have to move this code to your GitHub so that it will be available there. So from GitHub we will be moving to GitHub pages. Okay, so first you have to create a new repository in your GitHub, so that will host your website files. Okay, so for that, so I have already installed a git kind of thing in my cursor. You can also see this. So git is available in cursor. You can just initialize git. The folder is currently doesn't have git repository. You can directly do this by using GitHub commands will be there, like git init and kind of thing, git init, and then you can stage like git add or those things. But I will be not manually typing the commands. I will be doing this by using this interface, like that is IDE, like like with buttons and everything. So I want to do is initializing the repository I want to do here. So I'm just initializing it. So if I click on initializing, what I have done is I have given like git initialization I have done. If you can see, the changes has been tracked. So these are the changes which we have here. So yeah, so these changes I want to stage like is git add. So all changes what we do is git add dot we generally do here. So that is nothing but stage. If you click on this plus icon, this will got staged. So now git add is thing is done. So now what git after git add we have to do like a git commit with a message. So initial commit is this. So this is the application of initial commit. So I have given message and have committed this. So now if you see, it's committed in your local repository. So now you have to create a branch and then push this. So now we have already a main branch. So now if I publish, the main branch will got created in your remote repository. So just click on publish branch. So yeah, this will make you like two things. One is git branch will be created, and git remote add origin. So this repository will got created, and this also do like a push also it will do. So git push origin main, it will do that. So if we are going to push, it will ask you, this is the repo name will be this, and it will ask you like what kind of repository, that is a private repository or public repository, it will ask. First I will give like private repository only. So if I see like publishing to GitHub and uploading the files, if it is successfully push it to my GitHub, because I have like configured I have did my configuration in my GitHub. So if you see, this is my GitHub portal. You can see here my code has been deployed to GitHub. So what the next thing we have to do here is just now we can see everything, like one branch is there, main branch and everything. So by using branch we can easily deploy to GitHub pages. So basically GitHub pages is the free source which is GitHub is providing to host any simple kind of static pages. Okay, so now what we have to do is, now our project is into GitHub. Our code is live in repository. Okay, so now GitHub, now you have to go to this repo GitHub settings. In settings what we have to do is firstly we have to make this branch public, otherwise you can't make it like available to everyone. So I will show you like where we got to know to make it public. Here you can see upgrade or make this repository to public to enable the pages. So making a public repository is mandatory for the publishing these two git pages. So first of all we have to do is here if you go in settings page, if you go to down here, you will have danger zone. Here you will have change visibility, just make it to public. So it will ask you like, are you sure, like read and effects of this thing, and you should make this repository public. So it will ask you to verify your email kind of thing. You can just verify that. Yeah, I have verified that. So now my repository has been a public repository. So now if I go to pages, here in this settings, if you see in this corner, you will be having like pages. So now here pages, github pages is designed to host your personal, organizational, project pages to repositories. So here deploy branch. So if you want to deploy from a branch, you can select that, otherwise github action. So now I want to deploy from a branch, so I have to need to select a branch. So it is not an it's a main branch. In that route we have my files. So just save, click on save. So that's it. So github pages source has saved. So now if I go to like actions, you can see some actions will be going to run this to publish our things to like github pages build, and it will make a build and deploy. So it will take a few minutes. So if it's completed, you will be getting an url. uh, so now build is completed, so other task will be running. So once it's deployed, you will be getting a link so that you can able to access that publicly. You can also share to your friends. You can see it's now deployed. So if I go to settings and then pages again, yeah, if I go to settings and pages, you can see my url. You can just visit the site or click on this url. So you will be having this single page portfolio there. So you can see here is a public url. You can share this to your friends and anyone. So you can see simple html I have created without writing any single line of code by using cursor, and thus it's available publicly now by using github pages. So finally open the url provided by github pages, and your boom, your website is ready. And that's it, super simple and fast. I hope this video is very clear to you. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. In the next video, we will be going to see how to deploy React app and other things using GitHub pages. Let's see in the next video. Until then, see you. Bye bye.